Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Recycle Ideas with Dira. If you want to add green to your home, then this video is for you. Today my video is about the DIY snake plant. Without much delay, let's start the video and please follow the instruction whatever set in the process of leaf making. Cardboard, okay, cardboard should not be neither thin neither thick, okay. The whatever the that shoes type of cardboard, whatever the shoes parcel type of cardboard is better. If you have, you can use it. And you need fevicol, okay, and you need some talcum powder, and you need some brushes. And among the brushes, one thin type of brushes is number one. I think number one brush is very necessary because it helps you to give a stroke in the lips. Now you take a pencil, okay. Do not use marker pen or black sketch pen, because when you outline, sometimes when you cut it, okay, the mark will remain there in the cardboard, okay. Better you use a pencil and you just take the outline of the snake plant, okay. You have to make many, okay. Whenever you are cutting the snake plant, you make different shapes and sizes of the snake plant, some big, some large, some small, like that way, okay. One I'm doing for you for demonstration. Just cut it, okay. Now after cutting it, okay, into the shapes of snake plant, okay, I'm going to take a I have mixed talcum powder and fevicol here, okay. We are going to fill this one edges of this plant like this, okay. It will visible, okay. Your lips will not look perfect. Just to cover up, we are going to cover it up with this mixture. Now you take a white acrylic paint, okay, and now paint this with white at first, okay. Now, okay, after that you take a one thin brush, okay, for outline only. Now after that, carefully, okay, draw like this straight line, little bit, okay. Like this outline you have to do all over, in front also, back side also, you have to do the same, okay. You have to mix a color, okay, in order to give a perfect snake plant color, okay. I have done lots of experiment regarding this. After this, I got a this beautiful color. You just need a dark green, okay. I'm taking here dark green. Then you have to take a black a little bit amount you have to take, okay. And you need a light green. This is the color, okay. This is the color I want for my snake plant, okay. Okay, after that, this you have to color it inside this one outline only, okay, all over. The color will look like this, okay. Front side, back side, you have to color it all over. After this, okay, you take a yellow color, okay, and you need a thin brush. here at the edges. Okay, you have to apply yellow color. You need a zero number brush. Okay, now again we have to make a mixed color. Okay, I'm taking dark green and I'm taking black here. Okay, and we are going to mix it. Okay, now we are going to give a stroke in the middle. Okay, this one just look carefully. Okay, give a dust. Okay, like this way you have to give a stroke. Brush must be very thin. Okay, like this way I have made some snake plant. Okay, I have done lots of experiment. Okay, this color combination also use different color. Now for filling up you just need some container. Okay, I have this small container. Fill the container with mud or sand. Okay, whatever mud you are using, it must be moist free. Okay, and whatever sand you are using, that to also be moist free. Okay, you can use whatever you want, and you are going to plant this one artificial plant. One of the advantage of artificial plant is that you can keep it wherever you want. Okay, no need to water. Like this different sizes you have to make, a small, big. Okay, like this way I have to make 1 2 3 4 or more. Okay, like this way you can plant it. Okay, and you can keep it anywhere. If you like my ideas, please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.